Okay, so I'm trying to get them while they're asleep and their mom's not here, without them with their mouths open. And here are the parents. I know I'm making you nervous, but I'm just making the world appreciate cardinals. I wonder at what stage they will get scared of me, but maybe they'll get used to me from having this in their face. I don't know. God, they breathe so much. I wonder how many males and how many females there are. Day 3 of me filming these guys, and that one's sure shaking his head a lot. Oh, he thought I was coming to feed him. Look how perfectly they're aligned. Oh, this is so hard. So hard. Gosh, that's amazing. If I pull on the branch in a specific way, they think it's the parent. So I gotta watch what I do so that they don't think they're getting fed. How big that eyeball is. So I think this is day 4 now, and their eyeballs seem to be focusing now because the one that's closest to the camera was looking, and then he saw me and he like ducked down really fast. So I think he actually can see me now. Can you see me now? Can you see me now? Trying to get a better view. Viburnum makes you itch like crazy, but then it subsides really quickly as well. So humid today. I feel like they're panting because it's so humid. These suckers grow so flippin' fast. One of them was like standing on the top of the nest today. I cannot believe how fast these things grow. Their parent has discovered me again, so they're upset. I mean, the parent's upset. Look at that, getting rid of their like little baby feathers, their little fluff, and getting real feathers. It's so cool. Okay, as you can see, they're now all out of the nest. This one right here is getting like red feathers even. That red coloring. Oh my god, you're so cute! How you doing, you little cardinals? Little cute little things, cute little things. Look at that little claw. What up? They're getting too scared of me. One of them just flew away. Or tried to fly away, and he's like on one of the branches right there. I don't think that's good. If he falls, then the cats can get him. A bird's eye view from, I mean not bird's eye, what would it be? The opposite of a bird's eye view. Okay, one has flown the coop, one has flown out of the nest, and I thought it was because of my filming, so I went and followed it and picked it up with a leaf, put him back in the nest, and he's gone again. Oh, there he is. That's the one that was on the ground, flying around. So I'm gonna have to watch Charlie and Trig the next few days, make sure that they don't I'm gonna have to find these birds every day to make sure that they're not gonna be harmed. So again, I'm really grateful that this is a cardinal's nest and not a blue jay nest, because they don't dive bomb me. Birds can kind of freak me out when they're flying around my head, so I'm glad that it's not a blue jay nest. Oof, that would be bad. I see though why cardinals pick Viburnum to put their nest in though. It makes sense. They're probably not ever going to put their nest in this Viburnum again, because I've kind of had a horrible experience with all the filming. Look at this one. This one is the only one that has kind of red feathers on it. Okay, so all the babies are out of the nest now. This is the only baby that's left, and I can't find the other two. I found one of the other two earlier, but I didn't have my video camera with me and I was on the phone. So this might be the last footage I get of these baby cardinals. They amazingly grew so fast. And here's the nest, all empty. Crazy. I found the other one. He's on the ground, or she's on the ground. Right there. This is the one that I think I found earlier. You gotta get out from underground, dude. Too many cats are in this area. Itty bitty little birdie. Hi. What do you do? I was walking around in this area because I thought maybe it was still around, because the parents are around, or making noises, so I figured the baby must be around, but I kept looking down to make sure I didn't step on it. I mean, this thing is tiny. It's probably, I could probably close it in my hand. You're gorgeous. You're gorgeous. You're gonna be a pretty cardinal. Yeah, he's a cardinal. Hi, you need to get in a tree. You need to get in a tree so nobody finds you. I know. Oh, I'm so tired. So tired. Oh, sleepyhead. Hey everybody, I think this is going to be the last video. I only have found one of the babies yet still, and he's right there. He or she. So to give you perspective, that right there, their nest is right there, so this baby has traveled to over there, and unfortunately I found one of the babies today in my yard with its head off. So I don't know how or that happened. I didn't see it happen, so I don't know if it was a cat or a bird. I think, I don't want to freak this baby out. I probably don't want to step on something else. But that was pretty sad after watching them, grow up and all that kind of stuff. Oop, this one's freaking out. I freak out its parent too. Anyway, that was really sad in a lot of respects. And no, I can't even get him. Oh, there we go. Thank you. So I don't know if this is the last one that's alive or if the other one is somewhere else or what's going on, but that's why I say this is probably the last time I'm going to be able to film. I'm obviously freaking him out. And the parent is up there worried. Kind of makes sense why they have 3 of them though. 3 babies. Because they're just so freaking vulnerable. Anyway, thanks so much for watching and we'll see you next time. Not with the Cardinals though, probably.